We've been getting weird starting problems where the car won't start, and it said issues with the hybrid. And when we jump the battery, it seems to work. So after 2015 to 2024, 9 years, we're putting a new 12-volt battery in it. We're going to get this mat out of the way. This cargo liner, and this will pull out. This cover pops out, and there's the battery. And I believe this case is going to come off also, pop off. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we're going to need a little socket down here and a wrench or socket to get the two terminals off. I got this nut off, but this is still attached. I don't know if I have to pull this panel out right here. We're going to take the terminals off and then see if we can slide this over the terminal head. Okay, let's get the black one, negative. See what happens if I get a screwdriver on this little opening. Okay, this whole thing pulls out. Try to get the top disconnected first, because these are vertical plugs, vertical pegs. All right, looks like we'll have to take the back nut off also. What I don't know on this battery is if there's a venting hose that has to go in here or not. You didn't get that, did you?
No, I did not.
You see on the side here, there is a hose, a vent hose that has to come out of the side of this battery. I was going to get a screwdriver and try to pry that off. Oh, there it is, came off easily. And now we should be able to get the battery out. Okay. Here we go. See the little hole in the side? That's where the venting hose has to go. And if you look here, here's the venting hose right here. Since we've got the same battery, we should be able to just plug this back in. Hopefully it's the exact same size. I don't know what that's from. Now that I took it out, I realized there's a place for 2 fingers here, and a place for 2 fingers over here to lift it. Another bag. I guess they're trying to prevent from this thing leaking. So they got some kind of drying agent. Looks like kind of little pellets like kitty oil or something. This should come out. Okay. Okay. 20 HR 51 amp hour CCA 355A over here. Yep, same. See a model number on here. S55D23L. That's probably non-US date, so the 20th February 2024. So a new battery. I don't see any leaks or anything. Okay, we're going to put it back in there. Put the exhaust tube in, and making sure we put this on, put this back on, that exhaust tube goes through this hole right here. And tighten it back up. Okay, we'll put this on. Okay, now here we go, it's in. Okay, I just have these on there temporarily, make sure the battery works. No, it's working. All right, let's get this plastic housing back in. Make sure we get these 2 bottom pegs in each corner. That one's in, that one's in. That should all just pop in. There we go. This one has a little peg in the back and something that looks like it was a peg. Looks like that yellow thing came off of this peg. In any case, it's a nice engineered card. Sometimes the little plastic things are just a mess. Make sure it goes in all the way. All right, let's go ahead and test this, see what it shows. .3 volts. Let's test the old one, see what it shows. There you go. That's why it's not working. 10.58. That should be charged all the way. Unless there's some kind of vampire device in my car that's sucking electricity out. That's just an old battery. Let's just sides in here. Let's give it a try. All right. Just doing a quick test. Battery's been in here about 14 hours just sitting. I just want to make sure there's no obvious drain on it. 12.6. Good to go.